Welcome to WordPress. How to install a theme in WordPress site. Right now, I've got this simple theme. To install a new theme in WordPress website, go to Appearance, Themes. From here, you can see themes that are already present in WordPress site. This is currently active theme, and these two are inactive. To activate any theme from these two, click at Activate button under that theme and the new theme will be activated. We can also click this Add New button. We can upload theme, zip format to install theme from our PC. And we can also search themes from here. These are popular items. Astra is here, but we can type name for theme here and results will appear. Let's install this theme. Click at Install button and theme is installed. We can activate it from here. But go to Themes and we have this theme Astra here. Activate, and now Astra, this theme has been activated. Previously active theme is now deactivated. Go to Site, reload site, and site has changed. Its look and feel has changed. Astra options, install importer plugin, build your website now, use Elementor, and we have a few free options here to choose from. This is free, so let's install this. Click at it, skip and continue. I'm quickly importing a site so that I can change this boring looking site into a functional website that I can quickly edit. So here, import everything, customize the settings, widgets, import content, submit and build site. And this site is ready. Reload. This is our new site. So Astra, this theme looks generic, but it has got templates and demos that you can quickly import to create a beautiful website in a few minutes. And now, of course, you can edit any page here by using Elementor Page Builder. Edit this page or use Edit with Elementor to edit these pages that we see in this website. And this is how we can quickly find new themes and install those themes, activate or deactivate any theme in our WordPress site. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.